Let's make homemade granola. Add 4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1/3 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a large bowl and mix. In a separate bowl, add 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Heat it up until completely melted. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and mix until combined. Pour it over the oats and stir until well coated. Pour the mixture onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat and spread it out flat. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Stir it and then flatten it out again. Bake another 12 minutes until golden brown. Let cool 45 to 60 minutes. Then break it apart into whatever size chunks that you want. Place in a bowl or Ziploc bag. Add 1 cup of craisins or raisins if desired and mix those in. Then serve. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.